Final Cut Pro is a really nice feature of being able to favorite or reject files before you add them to your timeline. And I've found that once you get used to this, it saves a ton of time. So I have 3 different video files here, and let's take a look at them. All right, I'm not the biggest fan of this, so what I'm going to do is reject it by clicking delete. And you'll notice 2 things happen. You get this little triangle facing the right direction that when you click, you get to see that it's indeed rejected. And you can also see on top this nice little red line that proves it's been rejected. So to save space, you can click up or down to show or hide that. Let's check out our iPhone footage. All right, I like that one a lot better, so I'm going to hit F for favorite, and you'll see now a nice green line on top, and again another right-facing triangle that can be pulled down, and you see that it's a favorite. Next up, the notebook. All right, it's all right, so I'm going to go click F and favorite it. Then I keep going and I realize I'm not quite sure, so what I can do is click U, and that unrates it, so it's neither rejected nor favorited at this point, as if you've never seen it. So, save your time there. Now you have your files into 3 categories: unrated, favorited, and rejected. So that's already, you spend the first couple of hours going through all your footage, and then when you take a break, come back, you know which ones to work on. It gets even better. So let's say of the footage that you liked and favorited, you actually just want to use a little bit of it. Let's go ahead and click U to unrate it. Then you'll see when you select it, you get this nice little yellow bounding box. And we just wanted the center of it, so you go ahead and drag the beginning and drag the end to the points you want. And now, if you click favorite, you'll see just a portion of the footage is selected. And when you drag that into your timeline, you're just getting that area, which is extremely nice and efficient. You can even go a little bit further and reject and favorite segments of one video. Let's click U again. And let's say we want the beginning part to be rejected. So we make sure, and especially if you're looking at really long footage, this could help a lot because you can realize, okay, I'm definitely not going to use the beginning because it's just scratch footage or it's blurry. So let's reject that and then go, okay, well, I do like this part though, so I'm going to favorite that. And at the end, you go, or at least the end segment, you go, okay, I really don't like that. It's just blurry. We'll reject that. And then you still have different areas that you can decide later whether you want to keep them or lose them. So now you've done all your rejecting and favoriting. And let's say you don't want to see all your clips anymore, just the ones you favorited. Go right up here and you can click Control F. And you're just going to see your projects and the videos that are favorited, which is really nice because if you're working with hundreds of different pieces of video, that's going to be a big plus. Or you just want to make sure you've selected a bunch of things that you do not like, and you want to review them to make sure that you're not going to use them. You can just show you're rejected, and that is Control Delete. You also have the ability to hide rejected, show no videos of no ratings or keywords, like when you click U, and unused, and as we began with, all clips.